Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I am Jen if you are new here. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I have everything I need ready to go. This video is my welcome unboxing video. I have my welcome box from Amazon as well as my welcome bag from Target. I was supposed to go and pick up my box or bag from Bye Bye Baby. Never got around to it, but that's okay. We're gonna get this video done anyway. Alright, so because, forgive me, I'm sitting on my ball. Target is in a bag and it's already open. I haven't looked in it. The only thing I did was pick the box up from Target. I had heard this in different, in videos, and if you've done your registry online, all you have to do is go into Target, go to customer service, and let them know. Supposedly they're supposed to ask for ID and make sure you have a registry, but when they seen, that guy seen this, he didn't ask no questions. He was like, did you get your welcome? As soon as I walked up to the counter, he was like, did you get your welcome bag? I'm like, no, that's what I came for. And he was like, okay, I got you. And then he went and got it. So only thing I did was drop the water that I had that day down into the bag. And that's it. So I'm about to get started and open this out. First, I want to start with all these coupons and stuff. So there is a sample of Aquifer, healing ointment, advanced therapy for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Cool. Free sample inside for Honest Baby, gentle nourishing in the flavor or scent sweet almond, 24-hour moisture, as well as the shampoo and body wash. That might be good. So there's a lotion and a body wash sample to see if you want to try those. A little book of savings. So there's a book of coupons on tons of baby stuff from Target. And then, what is this? Baby Ganix. A sample of Baby Ganix. I guess I'm saying that right. Moisturizing daily lotion, and it's fragrance free. That's that. And then this is add your starter set to your registry. Scan here to add to your registry today. Maybe I'll do that. So then they give you, it's a QR code or whatever those codes are called for you to add this to your registry. But I'm just gonna log on and go into my registry and add this stuff to it. Interesting. Never heard of Baby Ganix. Y'all heard of Baby Ganix? Alright, so the rest are actual products. So I can put these coupons here. Alright, so what's first? A bottle. Reduces colic, spit up, burping, and gas. Is a Dr. Brown's bottle. I've never used one of these. I use Tommy Tippy bottles with Momo, and I didn't like them because as soon as I wash the nipples, pop them out, wash them, put them back in, it never worked the same. Interesting. Have y'all tried Dr. Brown's bottles? I heard they were good. This one is a 0 months plus level 1. My plan is to breastfeed as well as bottle feed, and I haven't really done much research on what type of bottles to get yet. That's still up in the air. Mom to be registry gift coupons inside from Pampers. Let's see what this is. So it looks like a changing mat and some coupons, tons of coupons, a pack of wipes, and 1 diaper. But it doesn't even say which diaper this is. Judging by the look of it, it looks like a Pampers Swaddler, I think that's what it's called. The newborn size. And a decent size mat. You can never have too many mats. I think I used to carry a mat in my purse with Momo when he reached a certain size to where I'm not carrying this whole diaper bag. We just running here and back. I would put his mat in my purse as well as a couple diapers and some wipes, and we be out in a bottle and we be out. I wasn't that mom carrying a whole bag full of stuff all the time. It might be in the car, but it's not going out. This is our best diaper ever by Honest Company. Diaper size 1, 8 to 14 pounds. And this is also, ooh, okay, Honest. Honest left a pack of 10 new and improved plant-based wipes. Gentle, durable. And then 2 diapers. Has anybody tried Honest diapers? Because I kind of like them. One has rocket ships on it and one has giraffes. And I've been thinking real serious about doing the Honest brand. Like, I think you can do, what is it called? Like a subscription. And then stop it whenever you want. Alright, what else is in the bag? So I'm going to grab all of these at one time. So there's samples. Baby Dove head to toe. Cetaphil wash and shampoo. Face and body. Aveeno. I use Aveeno for Mo. Aveeno. And then Johnson & Johnson's Cotton Touch. You know what? This video, I hope it ain't too long. But I want to know how the ones I've never had before smell. Okay, maybe not, because I gotta open the tip of all of them. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. We don't got that kind of time. All right, so that's those. What is this? Water wipes. I saw these in Marshall's, a huge box, and I was like, I'll wait and see what I get. They're 99.9% water with a drop of fruit extract. Anybody try these? I'm definitely gonna try these. Some of these wipes I'm probably gonna end up trying on myself. Special delivery Huggies, Our Perfect Diaper. Okay, Huggies. Huggies, they put two Huggies diapers in here too. So I'm not picky with diapers, as long as it's not like, I think one time I had ran out of diapers and I just grabbed a pack of maybe like Walmart brand for Mo, and he pissed right through those. In like one piss, you had to take it off. So I definitely do not like those. But I'm not like picky when it comes to, oh, this is a Huggies baby. You know, some babies gift registries, it will say, like on their invitation, it'll say this is a Huggies baby, or this is a Pampers baby. I was gonna do that, but I wasn't really sure because it's been so long and the diapers have changed. They felt nothing like this 8 years ago. But I like these. These are nice. I like how soft they are. They're actually, I want to say, a little softer than the Pampers brand, which is interesting. Y'all, I feel like with all this stuff, I can go ahead and pack my, start packing my bag. The baby bag. All right, this is a Lance, I do not know how to say that word. Samples inside. It is some breast milk storage bags and some pads. Oh, they not playing with the samples. Okay. Definitely gonna need those. Is that the same pack of? Yeah, that's the same one. All right, three more things left down in this bag. So this is Boogie wipes, saline wipes for stuffy nose. Never heard of those. Massage lotion for stretch marks by Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. I don't really use creams, I will say that, but I have tried this brand, Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E, but in the oil. That's the one that I've been using. You'll see in the next video, but I guess I'll try this, but I prefer oils and then a cream. It's a sample of Drift for laundry and small lightweight for newborns, a binky. And this is, it just says newborn ma'am, M-A-M. BPA, BPS free, orthodontic nipple, promotes proper oral development, curved shield designed for comfort, small for newborns. I don't know if I like the shape of this nipple. I probably just stick with Soothies, the ones they give you at the hospital. And I think I put a couple Wubba Nubs on my registry, and it's the same one. All right, so that is it for Target. And y'all, I'm feeling this little Target bag. If you are pregnant and you haven't went and got your little welcome bag from Target, go get it. Like a bottle, and let's see, 3 diapers came from one brand, Huggies, 1 from Pampers, and 2 from Honest. That's what, 6 diapers? Man, y'all better go get that box. All right, that bag. All right, so on to Amazon. So this is how the box came. I assume this is the box. I did not open it. All I did was just cut it open right before I sat down to film this video. So I don't know what's inside. Let's see. Oh, they got it all nice and neat with a little paper inside. Oh, shoot. Okay, so let's see what we got. Ooh. Another bottle. This one is by Philips Avent. I think I like this shape bottle and the nipple shape more so than I like the other one. But not sure what baby is gonna like. Another Drift. Breastfeeding guide, and what are these? Disposable breast pads. These were from Philips Avent as well. Another thing of Aveeno Baby. All right, 7th generation free and clear wipes. Another pack of wipes. Munchkin portable disposable diaper pill. This is, what is this, 1 pill? For 1 pill, 30 diaper clutches. So I did put one of these on my registry. Not sure which brand I put on there. I'm not picky when it comes to brands. I think I selected a bunch of different brands, not saying that I want all of them, but that you can get any one if you wanted to get me a diaper pill. But this is 30 bags, I guess. Or, oh no, holds up to 30 diapers. This is 1 bag. Oh, a onesie from Amazon. Amazon Essentials. That's cute. Unisex, of course. Alright. Since I just opened one of these, I assume it's the same thing. A diaper swaddlers mom to be registry gift. It is, I know inside of it, it was 1 diaper, coupons, and the changing mat. And it says just a little card. Love your box. Purchase any of these items. Download the app, scan, and add welcome box item. So you can add any of these items to your welcome box. A muslin swaddle. I've been wanting to feel one of these because I keep seeing all these YouTubers and swaddle playmat sunshield show us how you use blankets on Instagram. I keep seeing all these people talk about the muslin ones are the best. I have been dying to get my hands on one. I put a few on my registry, but even though I've never touched them, but I wanted to see what the hype was. And one came in this welcome box, so that's grand. All right, this one is definitely unisex. It's white with a bunch of zebras on it. I could see where it's good for swaddling, and it will breathe. It's not like, it's definitely not thick. I'm pretty sure like you could literally see straight through that. It's really thin and breathable. Baby would definitely need to have on long sleeves or pajamas under this, but it will ensure that the baby does not get too hot. But I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. If you never felt this muslin, whatever it's called, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but if you've never felt this material, think of tablecloth. That's what it feels like to me, like a tablecloth, a thin tablecloth. That's the only thing I can think of to compare it to. I do think I put a couple like jersey knit ones. Those are soft, but this is soft. It's still soft, but it's definitely breathable, and the baby is not sleeping in something like, you know, wrapped in something like this. If it's cold, she's gonna have to have, you know, layers on or something, because it is breathable. Oh, it also says a privacy throw or birth cloth. So it has multiple uses: stroller cover, receiving, birth cloth, swaddle. Interesting. Y'all, I enjoy opening these boxes to see this stuff. It did give me some ideas of things that I want to add to my registry that I didn't even think to put on there. And then it also reassured me of some things that I asked for was a good idea. But if you haven't done so already, and you are pregnant, go ahead and do your registry on Amazon. It's worth it. Most people shop on Amazon. So far, I've had items purchased from my Amazon and not so much from Target. A lot of people don't really get what's on your registry anyway. They use your registry as a guide so they can see what you're looking for, which is totally fine by me. I'm just grateful for whatever we receive for the baby. But I just wanted to do this video because I enjoy watching these videos, and I know I'm kind of shifting my content on my channel, but I am growing my little family and some new things are changing in my life. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to spread love, baby, because y'all know I will. Bye.